Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Cash App, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question that I've been getting a lot recently on my other video, and that is, how do you redeem gift cards with your Cash App? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is going to be a really quick video. There's really not too much to go over, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you be wondering how to redeem gift cards that you were sent on Cash App? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe somebody sent you a Starbucks gift card into your Cash App, but you're not sure how to get the codes or how to redeem it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's all handled here in the Cash App. It's this green and white one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there, but I'm going to open up my Cash App now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Cash App. This is the home screen here. Now, if you're wondering how to redeem a gift card that was sent to you through Cash App, first thing right off the bat, you need to have a Cash App Cash Card. If you don't have a Cash App Cash Card yet, go back and watch my other video that describes in detail how to order a Cash App Cash Card. So the strange thing is with Cash App, when you receive a gift card, it's not like a regular gift card. So you're not going to get like a gift card code. You're not going to receive a physical gift card or even a gift card number. So what's going to happen is the gift card is going to be added into your Cash App Cash Card. And how to see that is you click right down here on this bottom left, this little credit card icon. Okay, once you click there, you will see an image of your Cash App Cash Card. However, right below that, you will see images of whatever gift card you received. So for example, if somebody sent you a Starbucks or a Walmart gift card, it's going to appear right below there. So one will say Starbucks, the other one will say Walmart, and it's going to show how much money you have on it. And when you click on the gift card, it's not going to show anything. So it's not going to show a code. The only way to redeem it is by using your Cash App Cash Card. So for example, if I received a $10 Starbucks gift card, all I need to do is I just go to Starbucks, I'll buy a coffee like I normally would, but I need to use my Cash App Cash Card for the payment inside of Starbucks. So when they charge my Cash App card for, let's say, $6 for a mocha at Starbucks, rather than it removing the money from my balance down here, it's going to take the money automatically from my Starbucks gift card that is inside of my Cash App. Now, you don't need to use the gift card inside of a store. A lot of the times you can use it online. So for example, if I was going to be buying Starbucks to be delivered to my house through the Starbucks website, then I can go ahead and just pay with my Cash App card, and it's automatically going to receive the benefits of whatever gift card that you have attached. So it's almost like a credit. It's not really like a gift card. It's a credit that is used before the money on your Cash App Cash Card is used. So I know it's kind of confusing, but if you need help changing your gift cards into cash, I did another video on how to do that, and that way it's less confusing. And basically all you would do is just turn your gift card into cash on your Cash App card, and then just use your Cash App card, because it's basically the same thing anyways. So if you're waiting for a redeem code or a physical gift card or looking for your Starbucks gift card number, you're not going to find it in here. And that's the reason why, is because you're basically just adding money into your Cash App Cash Card when you receive a gift card through Cash App. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to redeem your gift card that you received inside of Cash App, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you learned a different way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.